Hello everyone, I'm Adam. In this problem, for our given differential equation, which we have as dy dt is equal to y times 1 minus y over 36, we're going to find the logistic equation that passes through our point here at 0, 4. Now, starting with some things that we know that the general form of a logistic differential equation, right, dy dt is equal to some constant k times 1 minus y over some constant L. Now, we can use that in the form of the equation that we have here, our differential equation, to find our general solution, or the general solution to that differential equation, or the logistic equation, which is y equal to the constant L divided by 1 plus some constant b times e to the negative k times t. So how are we going to start? Well, looking at our formula here, and seeing that essentially what we have is a logistic differential equation. So this is going to imply, well, for starters, that our value of k is going to be equal to 1, since we just have y by itself, and our value of L is going to be equal to, say, 36. Okay? So plugging both of these into the general form of our general solution of our logistic equation, so we have y is going to be equal to what, L over 36 divided by 1 plus some constant b, which we don't know yet, times e to the negative kt. So k is 1, so it's just going to be e to the negative, say, t power. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Now, how can we find this value of b? Well, what we know, or what we want to have happen, is for this equation to be passing through our point at x value 0, or I'm sorry, t value 0, y value 4. And so if we plug those values in, so 4 in for y is equal to, say, 36 divided by 1 plus b times e to the negative 0, or e to the 0 power. Okay? So now we can just solve this for the constant b. So let's multiply through both sides. Essentially, since e to the 0 is just 1, multiply through both sides by 1 plus b, and then divide through by 4. So what we're going to have is 1 plus b equal to our 36 divided by 4, and 36 over 4 gives us 9. So subtracting 1 from both sides, we get b is equal to, say, positive 8. Okay, so putting all that together, so our logistic equation is going to be y equal to, what do we have, 36 divided by 1 plus b, or plus 8, times e to the negative t. So there we go. Thank you very much.